How to use the Homework Knowledge Booklet, the Robert Napier School. What is the Knowledge Booklet? The Knowledge Booklet is designed to help students from Year 7 to 11 develop their subject knowledge. Each term, students will be given a new knowledge booklet, while they are expected to revise and learn the key concepts for different subjects for that term. Students are given a timetable that informs them of what subject they should be revising each night. This video is designed to give students and parents an idea as to how to use the knowledge booklets effectively. Rules for the knowledge booklet. When completing your homework, it must state at the top the date and the subject. Each night you should be studying one section of your knowledge booklet for homework. You need to bring your knowledge booklet and self-quiz exercise book with you to school every day, as it's now part of your school equipment. At the start of lessons, you will be tested on the knowledge you have learned from the knowledge booklet. Tip 1. Self-quizzing. Write yourself some questions about the topic that you are studying. Can you then formulate an answer? Did you get them right? If not, write the correct answer down. Tip 2. Walsh reveal. Write down the key word on the post-it note. Then write the different definitions of the key words down. Can you then match the key word with the definition? Tip 3. Memory test. Split the A4 paper in half. Write the key word down on the side of the paper. Cover the words and try and write the definitions of the key words on the other side without looking at the answers. Check it. Did you get them right? If not, correct your mistakes. Tip 4. Mind mapping. Choose a topic and write down as much information as you can around the bubble. Then use the knowledge booklet to help you add detail. Tip 5. Revision clock. Ideal for remembering key dates. Write them in order starting from 12. You write the key event in the middle of the clock. Tip 6. Visual learning. You may find it easier to link keywords with visual images. For example, if you are learning the time in a different language, you can draw a clock and then write the phrase next to the correct time. With special thanks to Mr. T. Smith, George Perfect and bensound.com.